Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Here's Jack and Rose. Are you ready to sleep? Huh? You ready to sleep? Okay, where's your bed? Did you eat your food? That's your food right there. And you have another food right there. And water. Yes, you are. This is your bedroom. You have a two swing for Jack and Rose. Yeah, this is your bedroom and this is your living room. That's your living room, shoe rack. So you're gonna close the window there. Yes, you are. And that's your food. Your favorite food. Yes, you are. Yes. Oh, my cute baby bird. You ready to sleep? Oh, not yet. Okay, not yet. Not yet. I'm gonna clean this tomorrow. Yes. Yes, you are. Oh, my cute bird. Now you drink water. Okay. You drink water. Drink more. Yes, you are. How about you, Rose? Oh, it's just Rose, eh? It's very nice, Rose. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Rose, you are very noisy, Rose. Yes, you are. All female is very noisy. Seem like a human. Yes, you are. How you eat? What you eat? How do you eat? You eat a chicken and steak? Oh my goodness. I think Jack ate steak and chicken and pork. Oh my goodness. Oh, you eat also Rose. I think Rose said stop eating, Jack. We need to sleep now. Oy, my cute bird. Oy. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Cute baby bird. Is mommy buy you a two swing? Oy. Rose. Hi, Rose. My cute is Rose and Jack. Hi. Yes, you are. Oh, I'm sleepy now. Who you eat, Rose? You eat, Jack. You eat rice? Hey. Hi, Rose. You done eating, Rose? Yeah. Every day you just wake up, you just like my clap. You are very noisy because mommy, wake up, mommy. It's time to wake up, mommy. Yes, this Rose, very noisy and very loud. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. My cute baby bird. Cute bird. Mommy gonna buy you a big cage. Yeah. Yes, you are. You want to say hello, everybody? Say hello, everybody. Come on. You want to say hello, everybody? Rose? Rose, you ready to sleep, Rose? Is that your bed? Oh my goodness. So cute. Are you so cute? Mommy buy you a bed? A swing bed with have a mirror and a toy? Oh, and you too, Jack? Is that your bed, Jack? Jack? Yes? Is that your bed also? Okay, alright. Yeah, that's your bed. That's your bed. Why are you holding that mirror? You always holding that mirror. Yes, you are, see? This means it's that yours. Nobody gonna get that. I mean, closer. I'm gonna be closer. I cannot see. I can't see you, eh? Mommy can't see. Mommy can't see you. Yeah. Are you holding the small mirror there? Yes. Ay, cute bird. This means that's your bed. Yes, you are. I think my English is crooked. Crooked. Yes, you are. Yeah, my English is crooked. Rose, are you right, Rose? Hey, Jack. Hi, Jack. Jack, what are you doing there, Jack? Rose, what are you doing there, Rose? Rose. Hi, my cute baby bird. Rose, are you digging cooties, Rose? Rose. Yeah, you're digging cooties? What are you doing there, Jack? You're holding the mirror. Oh, you see yourself? Did you see yourself in the mirror that you are very handsome? How about you, Rose? You have cooties, Rose. Ay, cute bird, ay. Ay, Jack. Ay. Mommy is very hungry. I'm gonna cook you and eat you like a bird nugget. Yes, you are. Yeah, like a bird nugget. I'm gonna cook you tomorrow. Yeah, Mommy gonna cook you. Yes? Mommy gonna cook you tomorrow. Yes, you are. Mommy's hungry. Mommy no food. Mommy is no meat. So I'm gonna cook you. What are you doing to Rose? It's Rose. Look at me, Rose. I don't kill baby bird. Kill bird. I think we're ready to sleep now. You want to say bye-bye. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Come on. Come on, say bye-bye. Come on, can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Honey Rose, you eating Rose? Okay, eat more. Eat more, Rose. Wait. Say bye-bye.